Water damage can be a real headache for homeowners in Houston. At BIONIC Emergency Services, we know how quickly things can go from bad to worse. Let's talk about the top 5 causes of water damage and how you can avoid them. Plumbing leaks. Leaky pipes or old plumbing are a common problem. Stay ahead by getting your pipes inspected and repaired regularly. Storm damage. In Houston, storms can cause serious trouble with roof leaks and flooding. Keep your roof in good shape and clear out those gutters to prevent water buildup. Appliance malfunctions. Dishwashers, washing machines, and water heaters can all fail when you least expect it. Check connections and hoses often to catch issues before they start. Clogged drains. Clogs in sinks or drains can cause water to back up into your home. Regular cleaning and maintenance go a long way in keeping things flowing. Poor waterproofing. Without proper waterproofing, water can seep into basements or foundations during heavy rain. Invest in sealing and waterproofing to protect your home. If water damage happens, don't wait. Call BIONIC Emergency Services. We're local, fast, and here 24/7 to restore your home. Reach us at 346-275-3383 or visit bionic24365.com. With BIONIC Emergency Services, you can trust that your home is in good hands.